Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A35 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. It's also useful to have these little plastic tools with a tip just to extract dirt from the ends of the port. And you can buy such a brush and this diffuser in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have that option, you can try using a regular toothbrush. It won't clean as well as this brush, but it will still help a bit. Just remember to make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch up your whole phone. You must turn off the phone before cleaning. We never clean a phone while it's turned on, because you could damage it, so we turn it off completely. We sprinkle the toothbrush with alcohol so that it's properly wet. We take the phone in our hand. The port is right here. We insert the toothbrush into one end of the port, as far as it will go, and move it to the other side. And we perform about 10 to 15 such movements in one direction. Then in the other direction, we insert the toothbrush from the other side of the port and perform the same 10 to 15 movements in the other direction. If the port is very dirty, it is good to repeat this action 2 or 3 times in each direction, just performing those 5 to 10 movements in one direction so that the port simply gets cleaned and the dirt comes out. If you wave it back and forth to the right and left every time, the dirt will just move around the bottom of the port, but it will never come out of the port. The brush needs to make a few strokes so that it simply allows you to pull the dirt out of the port. After cleaning, we take a little piece of plastic like this. We printed ours on a 3D printer, but you can also buy one on Allegro. It's important that it's plastic, not metal, because metal could cause a short circuit on the plus and minus pins, and you could ruin the port. But a little piece of plastic won't do anything to it. We slide it all the way in and try to pull it out. Then, on the other side of the port, do the same thing. Slide it all the way in and try to pull it out, and then do the same on the other side of the port and try to pull it out. If there was anything there, this little plastic piece, this sharpened tip, would pull it out for us, just like it pulled something out just now, or whatever was at the end of the port. After doing this, we leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.